Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're up here in the woods again, and we picked up a brand new chainsaw, and I wanted to share it with you guys, so let's go check it out. Okay, so here it is. We picked up a brand new Husqvarna 545, and you'll see the list price there is $639.99. So it's a pretty good deal. They call it a professional saw. However, I would like to go ahead and note that I would consider it a semi-professional, maybe like an intermediate operator. So if you're in the line for something like that, this would be really good. It's a 50cc motor. It comes with a 20-inch bar. So it's not too big of a saw. It's a pretty small saw, but you know what? This thing cooks pretty fast. It gets the job done pretty quick. So we're going to go fire it up and give you guys a little demonstration and let you see for yourself. Okay, so we're not cutting big timber. This saw really isn't meant for that, I don't believe, you know. So we're like, this is like an 8-inch, 9-inch log, and you've seen it cut through there pretty fast. However, I'd also like to note we have been through about 5 tanks, and this chain has probably cut about 3 cords so far. So we don't have a fresh chain, and kind of did that on purpose so you guys get a real idea of what this thing's going to do. You know, like in the middle of your run. So it still cuts pretty fast. It's pretty impressive. We might go check out another tree and see what's going on with that, but it's doing pretty good. All right, so we've ran another tank through it. So it's cut a bit more wood, but we found a little bit better tree to show you, and we're going to cut it up. So keep in mind, this is not a brand new chain, and that this is your average cutting conditions. I have not rocked it or nicked it or nothing, so it's just naturally dull as far as what the wood would do, but still cutting fast. Let's give it a go. Well, there we go, guys. That's the Husqvarna 545 Professional. And like I said earlier, it's more of an intermediate semi-pro saw. So if you're in the market for something like that, a mid-size, you know, intermediate operator skill level, this is a great saw to have. It's price point $639.99. I'd say that put that in with the 460 Rancher, although this is like 2 pounds lighter, and it also is a lot faster. So if you're looking for something like that, I would recommend picking this up. It's a great saw, and we're going to enjoy having it ourselves. So thanks for coming along. We'll catch you next time.